Hi, if you are a beginner and you are trying to make money with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing using these networks like CPA Build or CPA Grip, CPA affiliate networks, you have to watch this video till the end because I will share with you a strategy that will work for you as a complete beginner. So it doesn't require for you any money or any this kind of advanced experiences to get this kind of results. This is some screenshots from this website right here. So as you can see, this strategy can make you something like thousands of dollars per month because it's everything about your work, right? So I will share with you the strategy and I will share with you the website that we are going to use to make money on CPA Build or on CPA Grip. So if you are interested, keep watching this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more videos about CPA marketing, and especially with this CPA incentive offers and this networks that allowing incentive promotions, because we are going to do some incentive marketing for this CPA offers to get this money, right? But first, I just want to mention that in the description below I will leave a link of our website, which is FCM Coupons. So if you are interested in some coupons on some platforms like ClickFunnels, if you want to create some landing pages or squeeze pages on ClickFunnels, we have the 14 days free trial. Also, we have some email marketing software like MailChimp, Fiverr, GetResponse, and many other platforms with some good deals and some good coupons. So make sure to check it out if you are interested. Now let's get started on the tutorial. So as you can see right here, you can make money with CPA offers or with incentive CPA offers, because this is an incentive strategy that we are going to follow in today's video to make this money using this network. So I'm going to use this website CPA Grip as an example, but this strategy will work for you with with all of these networks that are allowing incentive promotions. So don't try to use this strategy with other networks if it doesn't if it doesn't accept incentive promotions. So as you can see right here, I go to the offer section on this platform, right, and I set it to United Kingdom, right, because it doesn't make any sense to apply this strategy with India traffic, right, because it will not pay you that much. But look, on United Kingdom we can get up to $12 per each conversion or per each action, but this is credit card submit offers. I will not recommend you to go with this kind of offers, but all the time make sure to go with email submit offers because they are pretty easy to complete for the users or for the traffic. So you will get much money from these offers than this ones right here, because people are more likely to enter their emails than entering their credit card information. So as you can see right here, we will work. For example, let's choose this offer. This is an email zip submit offer. It's an Amazon gift card sweepstake, and it's a $6.70 commission. So this is a good offer, and it's paying $6, which is good amount of money per email submit offer. So where we gonna get traffic from? So this is the secret of our strategy. As I said at the beginning, we are going to use or to apply or to follow an incentive strategy. So what is the strategy? Is we are going to use, or we are going to pay people. It's not actually paying them, but we are going to give people a service, right? And instead of paying us money, we will ask them just to complete this offer. So imagine if we will offer for somebody a service completely for free. The survey actually worth something like $10 or even $100 for the survey, but we will ask these people just to complete the survey, right, instead of paying us money. So as you know, if someone asks you if you want a service that worth actually, let's say, $50, but instead of paying him money you will just complete a survey, it's more likely to convert, right? And this person 100% gonna say yes, because he want the service and he don't have to pay money. All what he has to do is just to complete a survey, which is the CPA offer, and then you will get paid as as a CPA affiliate or as a CPA marketer. You will get paid, and as well the customer or the visitor will get the service. So it's a win-win situation, and it's completely good. And as you know, if you just contact 100 people, you will get all of them convert your offer, because it's a high converting strategy. So what it is, and what is the survey, what is the service, and what we have to offer for people. So if you go to the internet, you will get right here a lot of different SMM panels. SMM panels or social media marketing panels are some social media offers that you can get from some social media marketing agencies. But in this video, we are not going to talk about social media marketing agencies. Maybe we are going to cover that in an upcoming video, but in today's video we're gonna talk about this website, and we are going to use this website to get the service as cheap as possible, and we will give the service, or we will offer the service for all the people that didn't know about it on this website. So this way we will offer for them, for example, a couple of cents. Let me show you something just to make you understand. This website is Indian SMM panel. Yeah, it's indiansmartpanel.com. We have right there in the internet thousands of these kind of websites that you can use to buy some social media marketing offers. So as you can see right here, when you click on sort by, as you can see, we have right here YouTube subscribers, YouTube views, and all of this stuffs, TikTok views, TikTok likes, and all of this stuff. So this is an agency or a platform that offer for you these services to grow your social media. So as you can see, let's scroll down a little bit, because we are going to use it with TikTok, for example. Once you click on TikTok followers or TikTok follower, as you can see right here, we have this is the rate per 1,000 followers. So as you can see right here, only 45 cents per each 1,000 TikTok follower. Imagine, per each 1,000 TikTok follower you will pay only 45 cents. And this is the idea. We will start contacting people on TikTok that might be interested in growing their TikTok accounts and gain more followers, and we will ask them, or we will offer for them 1,000 or a free 1,000 follower, and they don't have to pay money, but all what they have to do in return to get this 1,000 follower for free is just to complete the CPA offer just with your email. So it's completely easy and smart strategy. But to avoid problem with affiliate or with CPA networks that you're using, don't send direct CPA offers on the chat session, because the chat traffic is not allowed in some platforms like CPA BUILD. So you don't have to do that with CPA BUILD, or just check the restrictions right there to see if it's safe to share or to get traffic from chat or not. To avoid that, just use a landing page, and use your landing page link to send it to people in TikTok, to contact them in their inbox and offer for them this survey. And that's it. So that's all. You can use as well Fiverr.com as well to get this social media marketing services, but it's quite expensive right here. At least you have to pay $5, but with this one we have to pay only 45 cents in this website, and maybe you can get it cheaper than that in other websites. So that was everything for today's video, guys. See you on the next video.